What's up, guys? Welcome to another beautiful day and an awesome video. Today's subjects are going to be chain maintenance and like do's and don'ts when you're driving fast. Like, and ah, I had another subject, but I forgot about it just now. It will probably come back to me once I start talking as usual. Okay, so like I drove like a I had the Triumph before and it was shaft drive. This is chain drive. So of course I'm not like super comfortable uh you know doing chain maintenance and adjusting the slack and whatnot, but I do it anyways because you know if you don't do it then you don't get a habit out of things. And so like before I thought I had to measure the chain slack, but you have to measure the chain slack, but you don't have to press it super hard. Like just a gentle push down and a gentle push up, like that. Up and down. I really thought like before you had to press it and hold it down and then yank it up like super hard, but that's the wrong way to do it. So just tap and up like that. And then the like regarding what bike you have, um, do the adjust the slack after that. And also I had a measure like measure, yeah, and I measured from here to the edge, and that is also correct, so to say, but like you don't have to adjust measure, like you have these markings, 1 2 3 markings for each bike, and it's super simple. So you just adjust it a little bit, like a quarter at a time, and you do the same on the other side. So here you can see it's in the middle of each like marking, like the third mark, in the middle of the third mark on this side and on the other side. Uh, so it can diff like 1 millimeter if you measure it, and you sometimes you're holding the ruler like this way from this side, and vice versa, so up and down, or you know you flipped it on the other side, so you get confused maybe, and then you don't get the exact measurements, but it's not that hard. It don't take so long time to do. Just check on the markings and that they are both like roughly exactly on the same place, and then tighten these, and then the this nut, tighten it, and then measure the chain slack once again, and then you're done. So like it shouldn't take that long. So it's super easy. I like before I had like I measured everything, I measured there, I measured there, I measured there, and then but like, and then I went to the dealership, not where I bought this bike, but I have a closer dealership where I live, and I told him I did this and that. Can you check if I did the right thing? And he's like, yeah, you did the right thing. You have a little bit of plane in the chain, so you like it can't be perfect. Like you can't measure it down to the micrometer. It's impossible. Then it will take like 10 hours, and you have to have a laser to measure exact measurements. But so yeah, it's not that easy. No, it's not that hard. I mean, and so yeah, that's it. And also, like the do's and don'ts when you're driving fast. If you want to drive fast, that's all good. like do it, but it's dumb to drive super fast, like especially over a crest, you know, not on the highways because that's, you know, you can see everything, but like on roads like this, don't drive super fast over a crest because I know someone who knows some other guy who knows a third person or a fourth person, whatever, and he crashed his bike that way. So they went super fast. There was a crest, and obviously the car couldn't see oncoming traffic because, you know, of the small hill. And the last thing his buddy heard was, "Oh fuck," and then he crashed and he died on the spot. So, like, do it if you want to drive fast. Do it in the straights. Do it when the vision is clear. Don't like don't do it if it feels bad. Like usually, when you take the license, like I don't know. It sounds corny, but you develop some kind of sixth sense, you know. Like if you don't feel good in the stomach, don't do it. It will just go like get bad. If it feels good, then go for it. But you have to think a little bit before you do anyway. Like I know it feels good to drive fast and all, but you have to listen to your brain as well, not just your your gut. But usually your gut instincts are right if you're a normal, sane person. But who is normal anyways these days? No one. Yeah, oh yeah. And like, now I remember the third thing I wanted to speak my mind about. Like the reason I took the driver's license for motorcycling was, I don't know, I just felt for it. You know, I liked fast cars before, and you know, you always want to get faster. You always want a faster and more expensive car and more power, baby, and you know, and at some point you get to a threshold. You know, you can't just spend like how much money if you're not rich. Like if you're rich, then who cares? But like a normal working person like myself, you can't just spend many money on super fast and expensive cars. Like especially if you have a family and a home and you know, bills to pay. You have to think somewhat financially. You have to be somewhat financially responsible. You can't just do like all the things you want to do at once. So, and the thing is, I wanted a faster car. I wanted a bigger car. So, of course, I had to buy a newer car because I thought that all the old fast cars they sucked. I don't know, and so I took a loan and I bought a fast car, a station wagon, like a BMW. I optimized it, you know, stage 2 or whatever, and it was plenty of fast. It was, I pulled away from electric vehicles in that thing, but like the cost and the maintenance and, you know, like it's a high performance car, you know, it's not cheap. Like the insurance was expensive, the fuel, you know, everything. And so I'm like, no, I had enough. Like I don't, even if I paid like half the car off cash value, and I only took a loan for the other half, I paid like approximately 3,200 crowns per month on the loan. But you know, add that to maintenance, insurance, fuel, you know, and it gets really expensive. And I had enough, so and then it became summer. It was nice. I saw other people riding. I'm like, yeah, I want to do that too because I like riding bicycles, you know. Um, it's not the same thing, but I mean, come on, it's basically the same thing as riding a bicycle, just a bicycle with an engine, you know. And I didn't even say thank you. Ugh. Anyways, so I thought that, yeah, I'll go for it. And then, like, bang for buck, this thing costs 160,000 crowns, this motorcycle. If I want an equal fast car to this bike, I have to spend like 1.5 million crowns, you know? That's like more than 10 times, no, yeah. Yeah, that's like almost 10 times more. So that's why. And I bought a diesel Passat getaway cheap, with cheap fuel and, you know, a big family car. And it was totally worth it. So like, if you're into cars and you like fast things, then get a driver's license for a motorcycle, because you won't regret it. And if you are a petrol head, then obviously you love engines and machines and stuff like that. So learning wise, it shouldn't be a problem, even if you've never ridden a moped, let's say. So like, it's super easy. Like, it's easy. But do it, guys. Take the license. Do it. Take the license and come drive with me. Do it now. And also, yeah, my birthday is coming up, so I'm turning 31. Super old, I know, but I don't feel that old. I feel like I'm still like 22 years old. Like, in my mind, I'm still 22, right? Like, body-wise, I would say I'm 22 in my body. I still am as flexible as I was like 10 years ago, so I don't have any issues, except sometimes when I have to go to the naturopath. But I mean, I had that 10 years ago as well. So basically, I feel exactly the same, just the numbers difference. And I don't know. When I say it out loud, I'm turning 31. I feel really old. Like, you know, when you're 20 and you look at someone who's 30, you're like, damn, that's an old person, you know. But yeah, it goes like time flies. Oof. Especially when you get kids. Like, time, it's gone. Like, what even is time, you know? It goes by so fast. I'll leave you on that. I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, leave a like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!